What are you doing? Push up. Follow me. What's up guys, welcome back to Done Fitness. I'm Exo Breezy. Today is push-up time. We have 3 variations of push-ups. First one we do the regular push-up. Second one we're doing the incline push-up. And third one we're doing the outer inner push-up. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so for the regular push-up, how you get your form right, make sure that your body fully stretched, arms shoulder width apart, your feet planted on the ground, close together with one another, and then your core needs to be engaged, and then your form, body flat, bust not rising up. That's how you get the right form for the regular push-up.
Regular push-ups, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. That's 30 seconds, on to the next one.
Alright, so for the incline push-up, exactly the same as the regular push-up, but then you can add something like this, a stool you can get at anywhere that you know. I know we just don't want to say because they're not sponsoring us. Or you can use a stool at home, chair, anything, elevate your legs. Make sure your legs are placed on top of this, your body is like curved a little bit, and then you do your regular push-up, just that your legs are inclined. That's all.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Shout out to Puma for the nice workout gear. Now back to the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, cheater!
Incline push-ups, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go.
Now on to the last exercise. In my opinion, it's the hardest one, outer inner push-ups. How you do it is regular push-up form. Go down once, open up your left arm, go down once, go back to your regular form, go down once, and then open up your right arm and go down once, and then you repeat the whole thing again for 30 seconds. And that's how you do the last one.
Outer inner push-ups, 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Okay, that's 30 seconds, end of the exercise.
That's the end of set number 1. You guys have 2 more sets to go. Like I said in the previous video, replay it, do it again. Simple as that. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video. We've been Done Fitness. I'm Exo Breezy. It's not over till it's done.